Hi, I'm Jim Alexander, Applications Engineering Manager at Samtec. I'm coming to you today from IMS 2024. In our booth, we're showcasing a leading-edge 5G millimeter wave FR2 phased array antenna module, or PAAM, a demonstration platform. The Fujikura PAAM is a fully integrated module consisting of the antenna array, beamforming ICs, a frequency conversion IC, and filters. The array utilizes 64 dual polarized elements and operates from 24 to 30 gigahertz, with a plus or minus 60-degree scan range for both elevation and azimuth, requiring no calibration. The testing and development of the Fujikura PAAM is controlled via Avnet's RFSoC Explorer software. The AMD Zynq UltraScale Plus RFSoC, ZCU208 development board, and the XM655 daughter card provide the horizontal and vertical intermediate frequency feed for the PAAM. A Rohde & Schwarz SMA100B RF signal generator provides the PAAM with the LO signal for the hardware. A horn antenna receives the signals, one channel each for horizontal and vertical polarization, then two Rohde & Schwarz FE44S external front ends in a phase coherent configuration down-convert the signal before feeding it into the oscilloscope. The received signals are displayed on the Rohde & Schwarz RTP oscilloscope with analysis performed with their VSE software. Looking at the results, we can see 256 QAM modulation, a clear picture of the constellation, and we see excellent performance with minimal errors. NitroWave is Samtec's new phase and amplitude stable coax cable. Its distinctive orange jacket makes it easy to recognize. NitroWave cable offers improved stability with flexure over time. Samtec analog over array connectors are dense, high-frequency open pin field solutions supporting digital and analog differential or single-ended signaling. Samtec Firefly high-speed flyover cable connectors provide digital control for the PAAM. The Fujikura PAAM offers the highest performance in the industry and is intended for both indoor and outdoor applications. This includes fixed wireless access connecting a telecommunications carrier and its subscribers, high-speed mobile wireless access for mobile terminals, and trunk lines between carrier backbone networks and base stations. This combination of the Fujikura PAAM and Samtec's NitroWave cables gives system architects a proven platform for optimized RF performance. I'm Jim Alexander. Thanks for watching.